Grab your Christmas cup because I'm showing you how to make a great low-carb hot cocoa for one. We're going to start off by adding a tablespoon of Swerve to our little tiny saucepan that we have on the stove. Now, gang, you know I love Swerve. Non-GMO, New Orleans born. Here's my disclaimer. You can add more. Me personally, I don't like oversweet things. I can always taste the sweetener that's used in a product. I don't like that. I don't want that in my cocoa. I want to enjoy it. I don't want to take a sip of it and go, tastes healthy. No. 2 tablespoons of cocoa. You see I'm using the regular old cocoa. It is low carb. I got it at the Kroger. You get it at the Walmart. A dash of our Redmond Real Salt. Y'all know this is my jam. And about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now I do this so that we can mix it all together. Put this over medium-low heat, and we're gonna really whisk this a lot so we can combine it. Y'all remember when we were kids and you know, if somebody made homemade cocoa, they had like those chunks in there. It's not that the chunks are bad. They're just not pretty. And we kind of complain about them. So we're gonna get this really nice and combined. I know you're like, Shelly, we could just put it all together. And hey, my name is Shelly. I work as a dietitian, or Dietitian Shelly, as a lot of my clients call me. If you're into low-carb recipes for optimal health, go ahead and like this page, and guess what? You're going to have some laughs with it as well. Now we're going to add our 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now, before you all panic, yes, you can use Fairlife. Yes, you could use half and half. Yes, you could use unsweetened coconut cream. Y'all know, number 1, I don't like coconut. Number 2, I like a thick cocoa. Don't give me none thin and watery stuff that you get in them Diet Swiss Miss packets. Ugh. I like it thick, but gang, you can water it down. It is perfectly okay. We're gonna stir this until everything is combined and it's hot. I don't like to bring this to a boil. It just gets to be too hot, and then it cools off, and then you gotta warm it in the microwave. No way. So really combine it. Try to get out as much of the clumpies as possible. Pour it into your cup, and I got a little surprise for you. These are the Max Mellow marshmallows. Surprisingly, I found these at Walmart. We're gonna add one. Merry Christmas, y'all. If you like this recipe, look in the description box for it below, and be sure to like and subscribe. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.